Taper cycle. Select the F4 icon. For this operation, we will be using outside turning, and you can use the half key to toggle from inside to outside. This is vertical or horizontal entry of compensation. Again, using the half key, we will be setting this to use vertical entry. This is vertical or horizontal exit, and we will select horizontal exit. The turning area that we will be working in is the Z plus quadrant. Again, these can all be changed with the half key. Define your part. XI and ZI is the starting point of your X and Z coordinates. In this example, we will be using X 1.5 and Z minus 3. The diameter that we are turning down to is 1 inch. And the A is the angle of the taper, and in this example we will be using 45 degrees. Safety distances again are set to 0.1 for X and Z, and we will be using CSS with a maximum spindle speed of 1500 RPM and a clockwise rotation. F is your roughing feed rate for your axis. We're using a value of 2 thousandths per rev. VCC is 300. T is tool 1, and D is the offset, and we are using offset 1. Delta is the turning step in, and we will be taking off 0.05 inches per pass. Define your finishing pass. F is the finishing feed rate, and we will be using 2 thou per rev, surface speed of 300, again tool 1, offset 1. And we have a choice between a single residual stock or two different ones, one for each axis. We will be just using a single residual stock, and this will be a value of 5 thousandths. You can select to either machine along Z or X axis, and in this example we will be using Z. Simulate the program and save your cycle to your part program.